Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll learn how to modify the toe kick and change the top panel. Please follow the steps carefully. Open the model by double-clicking on it. This is the toe part, skirting. You can see that the toe height is currently 100 mm. Now, I'll show you how to change it. Properties, select toe part and go inside. Toe height is set to 100. I will change it to 0. Now you see in 3D the toe is gone. Now, I'll show you again how to set the toe height back to 100 mm. You can see that the left and right end toes are separate. Now, I'll guide you on how to make the side panels a single piece. Inside the toe part settings, you will see left side and right side options. Change both of them to full end. Now, check the 3D view. You can see that the side panels are now a single piece. Next, I'll show you how to change the top panel. We'll convert the top stretches into a full top panel. Inside the Properties, see Case option, select. Here, you will see the full top option. Click on it, and then check the model. Great! You've learned how to adjust the toe part and change the top panel. Well done!